Picture this: a sleek, powerful machine that combines luxury, performance, and practicality all in one stunning package. The 2025 Audi RS7 is not just a car, it's an experience. With 621 horsepower under the hood, this beast is ready to thrill every day, whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up the twisties. But here's the kicker: it's not just a weekend toy. It's the perfect blend of performance and comfort for your daily drive. Stick around to discover why the 2025 RS7 is the ultimate ride for those who crave power without sacrificing luxury. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and updates. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. The 2025 Audi RS7 is where Audi's sporty side meets refined luxury. At first glance, this hatchback sedan looks every bit the serious performer, and under the hood, it's packing a punch. The twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine delivers a whopping 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, making it even more powerful than its 2023 predecessor. And thanks to the 48-volt hybrid system paired with Quattro all-wheel drive, the RS7 doesn't just accelerate, it roars to life with every push of the pedal. One of the standout features of the RS7 is its adaptive air suspension. Whether you're in comfort mode for a smooth city ride or stiffening things up for a spirited drive, this car adapts to your needs seamlessly. Even with the massive 22-inch wheels, the RS7 handles corners with finesse, aided by the agility of its rear-wheel steering system. Step inside, and you'll find the meticulous build quality and luxurious materials Audi is known for. The cabin features exclusive RS7 details, from the special trim logos to the plush leather upholstery on the sport seats. You can even upgrade to ventilated bolsters for an added touch of comfort. The RS7 doesn't skimp on practicality either. The rear seat comfortably fits 2 or 3 passengers, depending on your configuration, and the cargo space is generous with 19 cubic feet available with the seats up, expanding to 49 cubic feet when they're folded down. For 2025, the changes are subtle yet functional, like moving the HomeLink smart home control button to the rearview mirror, ensuring everything is just a bit more convenient. Looking ahead, there are whispers that Audi might redesign the A7 lineup in the next year or two. But for now, the 2025 RS7 stands out as an ultra-performance vehicle that remains relatively affordable compared to its peers. It's not just a high-performance machine, it's a practical choice for those who want a sedan that delivers both thrills and everyday usability. The 2025 Audi RS7 is proof that you don't have to choose between luxury and performance. It's a car that does it all with style, power, and practicality wrapped into one. So, what do you think? Could the RS7 be your next dream car? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.